Iran is magical. It's a place that I recommend everyone to visit at least once in their life.
Here in Iran, people ask me something like, hey, where are you from? They just meant it to be friendly and say, welcome to my country.
Welcome to Iran!
Honestly, of all the countries we've been to, I have never, ever, ever had a welcome so warm and so friendly in my whole life.
6 months ago, I spent 2 incredible weeks in the Islamic Republic of Iran.
Welcome to Shiraz here in South Central Iran.
I'm going to Isfahan.
I absolutely love it. I could cry. I'm so happy.
We love Iran. I always had an idea to come to Iran.
Iran is so vilified in the media, and they make you think it's this really scary place and you should never go there. And it's the complete opposite.
Absolutely.
It couldn't be further from that.
Could it? Mental.
It just goes to show, like, how much you're just spoon-fed all this false information.
That's right.
And Iran is just one of my favourite places, favourite people for sure.
Yeah.
What I love the most until now from Iran,
The people.
The people. The people.
Yes. The people in Iran is amazing.
The people have been the best part about the country.
It's unbelievable, honestly. They're so kind and they're so happy to see us in their country.
You want to say hi? Hello?
Oh, you must go to Iran. The people are so friendly, so hospitable.
Every person, every family wants a photo. They like tell you where they're from. They're like, welcome to my country. Have a great time. We're so happy that you're here.
Salam, my friend. You look my shop. You buy something. Good price for you. Good price. Which one you like? Which one you like?
Where are you from?
Welcome to Tabriz. Hello, where are you from? They're all waving and smiling. We've just been like this for like 2 hours. Like,
Smiling, my face is
my face is actually hurt.
From Tehran to Yaz. Right now we're sitting in the main square in Yaz, Kerman, Isfahan. Welcome to Isfahan!
And here is the second largest square in the world.
what do you think of Iran?
Iran is very safe.
Iran is actually one of the safest countries I've ever visited.
The food is amazing.
The people and then the food. The food is incredible.
No lying, my brothers.